another creature called the true seal. So right now, Pumbaa is going to show you how a true seal looks on land and how a true seal moves on land. Sea lions are much more versatile than that. Right here, we're going to show you a few moves with speed. How strong those neighbors are? Do you want to see how fast he can swim? Come on, you want to see how fast he can swim? Alright, Pumbaa, let's go. Let's no, what's happening? How come today he got a lot of complain. You sound what? Singapore Sea Lion.
Sorry, Pumbaa doesn't want to swim.
But why? He's a sea lion.
He said he saw something big and scary in the water.
He saw something big and scary in the pool. But I've already checked the pool. There's nothing big and scary. Do you all see anything big and scary in the pool? No, wait, never mind. Let me check again, okay? Nothing this side or that bit. Look at that. He doesn't trust me. He also wants to check. Come on, Pumbaa. There's nothing big in the pool. Let's show them how fast you can shoot a shark. It doesn't exactly have you walking either. Come on, let's show some speed. With his streamlined body, a belly slide. Alright, now focus your attention to our trainer now. What he has got there is called a ball darting. Now what Pumbaa is going to do is dart into the water, leap out, and dart the ball. Alright. Now sea lions, they have been used by the US Navy SEAL for search and rescue missions. So right now, we are going to show you how they do it, alright? But, to do that, I need the help of one young brave volunteer who is a waterproof walk. Can borrow from the mom? Okay, come. Don't be shy. You can borrow from your father, your brother. Okay, come, stand here. Okay, come. This is your one. I want you to move and we want to show it off to you.